Welcome to ISRAR'S channel. Today we are diving into a critical topic for any entrepreneur or startup founder. How to build your own supply chain from an entrepreneurial perspective. If you are launching a product or service based business, building a supply chain that's efficient, scalable, and aligned with your goals is mission critical. Now let's walk through a step-by-step approach to building a supply chain from an entrepreneurial perspective. These are the steps to build a supply chain from an entrepreneurial perspective. The first step is define your business model, then make a decision about make or buy, identify the core functions of your supply chain, find and qualify your suppliers, plan your inventory and warehousing strategies, build a distribution and logistic network, implement technology from day one, and then monitor your KPIs, and then build flexibility and prepare for risk, and finally be start smart and scale smart. Uh, the step one is that you have to define your business model. And for that, you have to ask this question from yourself. What are you selling? A product, a service? Who are your customer? B2B or B2C? Who will make or provide the products or services? That is decision in-house or outsourced. What makes your offer unique? Is it speed, quality, or uniqueness, or the price? So your entire supply chain will depend on these answers. Next important step is that you have to make the decision that you will make versus buy. So should you manufacture in-house where you have more control but higher cost, or you will outsource to third-party manufacturer where you need a lower investment but less controls. So many startups begin with contract manufacturing or white label suppliers to save time and money. The next step is to identify the core functions of your supply chain. At its core, your supply chain will include sourcing and procurement, production or assembly, inventory management and warehousing, logistics, which could be inbound and outbound, order fulfillment, and customer service. You don't need to do all on day one, but knowing what essential helps you prioritize. After this, you have to start finding your suppliers and qualifying them. So start small, explore local vendors, or go global. Evaluate suppliers on following factors: their price and quality, minimum order quantities, delivery lead times, and payment terms. And remember, treat suppliers as a partner, not just the vendors. In next step, you plan your inventory and warehousing strategies. Uh, so, are you running a business from home? Start with a small inventory or go with the 3PL third party logistics. Use simple tools like Excel or set up with the QuickBooks, Odoo, or inventory apps as you grow. Apply just-in-time inventory methods or drop shipment models with zero inventory model to reduce your storage cost. Next is the choosing your model for distribution and logistic network. So if it's a courier service like DHL, or you can use the local options if you are B2C model. So then bulk transporters for wholesale or B2B business. Optimize your last mile delivery, the final step to the customers for speed, cost, and customers experience. It is very important that you will implement technology from the day one. Use software to manage orders, inventory, suppliers performance, delivery tracking, customers reviews. Tool like Shopify Odoo and QuickBooks can streamline your startup supply chain and save hours. Initially, you can use even Excel, which is fine too. After your business have been started, it is very important that you monitor your key performance indicators. So knowing your number is good. Track key metrics like procurement costs, sales revenue and growth, average order value, lead time and inventory turnover, order fulfillment rate, customer satisfaction and retention. Your numbers will tell you the story. Use them to refine and improve your business. Preparing for risk and having the flexibility is very important for the supply chain. So you should be regularly forecast your demand, diversify sourcing, combine local and global, always have backup suppliers, monitor your cash flow like your business depend on it, and because it does. So you have to be flexible and looking for the risk and mitigating your risks. Lastly, I will say start small and scale smart. So begin with a minimum viable process, just enough to operate. As orders increases, upgrade yourself. You can go from manual system to digital tools, local sourcing to international sources, or in-house handling to outsource fulfillment. Smart scaling beats fast scaling every time. Here is a supply chain roadmap for you. So where you need to have focus area and the key action. In business model, you have to define your product, market and value. Core function, map your end-to-end chain. Supplier selection, find and qualify vendors. Production strategy, decide make versus buy. Inventory and warehousing, manage stock efficiently. Logistics, build deliveries and shipping network. Technology, implement digital tools. KPIs, track performance. Risk management, plan for disruptions. And finally, scaling, grow step by step. Finally, we can say that building a supply chain from scratch isn't easy, but with the right roadmap, tools, and mindset, your startup can scale smarter and deliver real value to your customers. Finally, I will say please like and subscribe my channel, and also drop your questions in the comments. I will be glad to help you to build better.